These are the top 5 Excel tips and tricks you should know about, like adding and deleting rows and columns just by dragging. Let me show you how to do that. One of the most common tasks we tend to perform in Excel is selecting multiple rows or cells that contains certain keywords. So in this column D, we want to select rows that contains the keyword amount like this. Just go to the Home tab and launch the Find and Replace dialog box. You can also get to this place by clicking the Ctrl F keyboard shortcut. It's going to launch the Find and Replace dialog box. In this case, in the Find words, let's type amount and click on Find All. So it's going to show you all the cells containing the keyword amount. In this case, we have 5 cells containing the keyword amount, but we want to select all the cells at once. Just press Ctrl A on your keyboard, and it's going to highlight every cells that contains the keyword amount for you. If I close this dialog box, all the cells will be selected. Then I can copy the cells and just paste it anywhere. I can actually perform any formatting I would love to perform in the selected cells after I close the Find and Replace dialog box. Most times in Excel, you need to select cells that is formatted in a particular color. In this case, you want to select rows actually formatted as yellow in this scenario. Just use this Find and Replace dialog box also by pressing Ctrl L on your keyboard. It's going to launch the Find and Replace dialog box. So rather than finding text, now I want to find color. So I'm going to select this format option here and choose format from cell to copy this formatting and look for it in the whole worksheet. If I click on that, I have this preview showing me that it's going to find any cells containing this particular preview. I can give it a little bit of assistance and type the keyword form, since we know we have form in our cell, and I click on Find All. You could see, so you're going to find all the cells that contain the keyword form and is formatted as yellow. Similarly, I can just press Ctrl A to select all the cells and close the dialog box. Like this, as it is selected, I can bold it. I can also change the color to whatever color I wish to be changed to and perform every other task I would like to perform on those selected cells in a go. Most of the time in the real world, you're going to receive information, data sets that are poorly formatted and recorded. So in this case now, we have an information that is meant to be in 3 or more columns, now in a single column. So let's separate the information and split it into multiple columns. So select the data set like this, or the range of data sets, go to the data tab and go to text to column under data tools. This dialog box is going to pop up. Make sure to click on delimited, which means characters such as commas or tab separated each field. Click on next. So we need to determine which delimiter is present in the record. So in this case, if you pay a closer attention, you could see it is what space between between each record. So I'm going to select space in this place, and a preview of the data sets is going to be shown below here. Click on next, and you could actually select where you want the information to be placed like this. I'm going to select this column here and click on finish. You could see now the information is split into 3 columns instead of a single column. Voila. In Excel, you can select any range of data sets and copy it to another cell or cell within the same worksheet, but you're going to lose the information in your original source. What if I show you a better way to actually copy and move without losing any information? Let's select little range of cell, then drag, and just hold down the control key on your keyboard. You can actually copy this anywhere without actually losing any information. Release it, you can see I've copied same information into another cell without actually losing any information or data from my original source or range of cell. That's cool, right? Usually in Excel, when you need to insert new rows or columns in Excel, you have to do select the number of rows you want to insert, right click and click on insert, right? That is the hardest way to do that. Let me show you the smartest way to do it. You select the number of rows between the records and just put your mouse on this fill and do. Hold on the shift key so you have this arrow up, arrow down icon and drag down to insert the number of rows. You can also drag up to delete the selected number of rows. Let me delete the all rows. You can also do the same thing in between columns. Just put down the record like this. Select the range of data sets and drag to the right. You see, we started 2 new columns in between the words, the range of data set. You can still delete one column like this and drag to the left. You can see You actually deleted one column like that. One last bonus tips for you. You can see we have a bunch of number here with a date column. Let's say we want to fill the date down the column. We could just select it like this and select the fill handle and just right click and drag down. Once I release the right click button, I have a whole lot of options. I can fill by series, fill format only. Let's fill by date and see what we have. If I fill by date, you can see it's fill the dates incrementally for me. I can Ctrl Z to undo that. Let's hold the right click button again and drag down. I can fill by weekdays. It's fill the dates by weekdays for me. You can see only weekdays in this scenario. I can Ctrl Z again and try different option. You can also fill by years. You can fill by year. You can see the dates increase by each year in the record. You can also fill by month. You can fill by month. You can see the month changes from the beginning of the what of the data set. You can also do the same thing for the numbers. If I select the range like this, hold the right click button down with on the fill handle and just drag down. You can see I can fill series, fill format only. You can see we don't have few days, few weekdays, few month because this is not a date column. You can fill linear trend. You're going to fill the number based on the differences between 36 and 40, which is the initial two number we started with. You can also fill by growth trend. You can see different decimal points. So these are the different options you have on this fill handle to automatically fill date for you and fill numbers. The smart numbers for you. Let's try this one more time. You can see you can fill linear trend, which is 5 differences of 5, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65. That is the smartest way to use this fill handle. There's so much option you can also do with this fill handle in Excel. Those are the best 5 tricks you should know in Excel. If you want to see more tricks like this and you want me to create a part 2 of more of 5 tricks for you, comment part 2 in the comment section and I'll make a video for you on that. Do want to subscribe to the channel and put on your notification bell so you'll be the first to know when I drop new videos on the channel or drop the part 2 of this Excel top 5 tricks you should know in Excel series. Bye for now, and I'll see you in the next video on the channel. You have a wonderful rest of the day. Bye.